What's up everyone? So today we're going to be doing the lift struts on the 2004 Jeep Liberty right behind me. Alright, so I'm going to pop it open. And you can see how it can barely hold itself up. That's how we know they need to be changed. Make sure you have something to support the glass or someone to help you support the glass and pry off this tab right here. With the glass still supported, you're going to pry off this other tab on the other side of the arm. So this one here and the one right here. It should pop off in one piece, and you can see we have it next to the new one and they are the same size. We can go ahead and put those in. So you just want to make sure that these holes line up. We got one on each side. Line up right here. So this is the end with the closest to the vehicle where the shock's going to be, and this is where the skinnier part of the arm is going to go, right here on the window. And you can see it literally just pops right into place here. The thicker side of the shock closest to the vehicle, thinner side closest to the window. It takes a little force, but it pops right in. And even with one being replaced, you can already see how it's actually holding the window up now. Now that it's changed, pop it open. Boom, that's great.